the color of an image. In this case, I am able to change the color of the lab coat. So if I click this, you can see this is a section of the lab coat. I don't see background, but I see this paint icon here, and it says fill color. If I click on that, I can again change this to any color. Okay, a gradient and solid are my options. And if I wanted a dark brown lab coat, okay, if I wanted blue, right, I could have the arms be the same color, or I could have the arms be different colors. Same with the middle section of the lab coat, okay, and the collar of the lab coat, as well as the individual buttons. That's the line color, which I just changed here, okay. If I do it white, that makes it hard to see. The fill color, I can do this, okay, so I can change the individual buttons as well.